Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this Nuroum wired headset. It's a dual ear stereo headphone with noise cancelling microphone. Of course, you can also buy it in single, that means in mono, okay, single ear. This here is the dual ear stereo version of it. The computer headset with inline control, USB, Type-C, and headphone jack connectivity. You can choose out of these three types of connectivity which connectivity you will need on your device. So it's multi-platform, okay? This PC headset for home and office and online class and Skype meeting, Zoom meeting, gaming device can help you really good to make a nice call, for example, or a good game. Aimed at providing perfect using experience, the Nuroum wired computer headset is equipped with noise-canceling microphone and artificial intelligence-based denoise and ProperClean self-developed technology. The wired headset can greatly suppress unwanted background noises and output clear, natural audio. The metal headband comes with a soft leather sling, combining comfort and practicality. In addition, the pillow soft ear cushion, which is high-level breathable, it can provide an ultimate using experience. The boom microphone is been able and 270 degrees back and forth rotatable, so you can adjust it as you like to your mouth. We can easily bend it into the perfect position for our mouths and choose to wear it on either side according to our personal habits as well. This headset with microphone for personal computer comes with an inline control, which can control start and pause, answer and hang up, phone calls for example, a one-button mute option and a volume adjustment. With a 3.5mm audio cable, our wired USB headset here can be instantly compatible with any of computer, laptops, smartphones, tablets, MacBooks, and so many more devices. We connect the USB headset with the microphone to our personal computer, Mac, tablet, or mobile phone via USB-A, Type-C, or 3.5mm jack. It's compatible with Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and Android too. This is ideal for calling, conferencing, telephony, webinars, music, and of course more. This is cool. We have a soundproof meeting. We enhanced the AI-based digital audio algorithm and an inline control. Nice comfort, noise cancellation, USB-A, USB Type-C, and 3.5mm headphone jack. And with inline control, we have an environmental noise cancellation. We maintain our focus on the business meetings. We enjoy a noise-free conference experience too for it. That's a good thing. Oh yeah, really. Because of the artificial intelligence system. And we soundproof our conference calls. The AI-powered technology lets us communicate clear and confidently with noise-free during meetings, of course. That's a nice fact. And multi-applications available. It works with online conferences services like Zoom, Google Meet, FaceTime, WebEx, and GoToMeeting too. And so many more, of course. We have a universal microphone boom. The microphone can be bent arbitrarily, adjusted and used freely. Convenient for storage and use, of course. And ProperClean technology. This is the mission to take online remote meeting as close to face as possible by investing in audio deep learning technology. Universal comfort means the metal headband comes with a soft leather sling, combining comfort and practicality. In addition, the pillow soft ear cushion, which is high-level breathable, it can provide an ultimate using experience. And a broad compatibility. With the 3.5mm audio cable, Type-C and USB, the wired USB headset can be instantly compatible with any of our computer, laptops, smartphones, tablets, stereo, MacBooks, and so on. iPad Pro is possible too. And business-grade audio performance, aimed at providing perfect using experience. The Nuroum wired and computer headset is equipped with noise cancellation, microphone, AI-based denoise, and ProperClean self-development technology. And one-click mute. The headset of a microphone for PC comes with an inline control, which can control start and pause, answer and hand up, one button mute and volume adjusting. It's really good for home, gaming, office, music, online courses, public space. Oh, you can use it as you like, and it will work. Or you can also use it as a mono. The HP 11 wired headset is available in mono too. That means ENC tag is included, inline control is included, and it's compatible nearly to all other devices, but you have only one headset. In this case here, the HP 11 wired headset, dual version, comes with a stereo sound, and this makes it more convenient to use. This is the Nuroum wired headset. It's a dual ear stereo headphone with noise cancellation microphone, and it's possible to dock this on nearly every device out there. For office, for home, for gaming, for Skyping, for class, Zoom, and many more applications. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. So.